Welcome aboard. Let's study the APU limitations of Challenger 350. We will follow the airplane flight manual AFM. Let's get started. APU type: Honeywell 36150 Bravo Delta Auxiliary Power Unit. Up to what altitude the APU may be started on the ground?
Up to 14,000 feet.
What is the maximum altitude in flight the APU may be started?
30,000 feet.
Maximum APU altitude operation?
37,000 feet.
Maximum APU altitude generator?
30,000 feet.
Maximum APU altitude bleed air for engine start?
20,000 feet.
Maximum APU altitude bleed air for ECS?
20,000 feet.
Do not use the APU to start the left engine on the ground above?
9,000 feet.
True or false? Operation of the APU during fluid de-icing or anti-icing is prohibited.
True.
When the APU start must be aborted.
When APU RPM is less than 30% after 30 seconds. Hung start.
Maximum APU RPM?
108%.
Maximum APU EGT during start?
973 degrees Celsius.
Maximum APU EGT during normal operation?
718 degrees Celsius.
Maximum APU indicated airspeed to start APU in flight?
285 Kias.
How many successive starts may be made, and what is the interval among them?
6 successive starts may be made at 10-minute intervals with a 1-hour waiting period prior to additional start attempts.
How many start attempts may be made on the ground, and what is the cooling period among them?
3 start attempts may be made, each followed by a 1-minute cooling period.
True or false? Following an unsuccessful start or hung start, do not attempt another start until after landing.
True.
What is the average fuel consumption of the APU?
150 pounds.
This is the end of Challenger 350 APU limitations.